Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on CESC. Our analyst maintains buy rating on CESC with a revised price target of Rs 150. CESC's aggressive plan to transition to RE is a step in right direction, as it would provide strong growth opportunity, improve earnings quality and ESG rating in the long term. Investment in RE and a potential turnaround of distribution business of Rajasthan, which is expected in FY24, would create value for shareholders. Valuation of 1.3 times FY26 price to book value is attractive given discount to peers, and stock offers a healthy dividend yield of 3 to 4%. Next, we have an update on PVR INOX. Our analyst maintains buy on PVR INOX with an unchanged price target of Rs 2200 on account of strong box office collection driven by strong content pipeline, operational traction and merger related synergies that would aid in achieving strong cash flows leading to reduction in debt. The company witnessed strong box office collection from movies like Animal, Tiger 3 and Leo. A promising lineup for the rest of Q3 of FY24 and Q4 of FY24 is anticipated to maintain this momentum. Strong box office collection to result in steady improvements in operating metrics and strong cash flow generation due to merger related synergies is likely to aid in further reduction in debt after having realized 1200 to 1400 crore synergies in first half of FY24. The company continues to steadily add new screen with 22 new screen addition during the current quarter till date after achieving 68 new screen addition in first half of FY24. At the current market price, the stock trades at 22.9 times FY26 EPS and 11.3 times FY26 EV by EBITDA. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.